Hello, in this video, I will show you how to change your display language in Excel. It's a very easy process. What you have to do is just simply open your Excel, then go to the File section over here, and inside this section, you will have a column named Option. Click on that. Then this pop-up window will over here in front of you over here, just simply find the language option, which is right over here. Click on it. Then you'll notice there are a lot of languages. If you have already added some language packs in order to actually change a language, there are two ways if you have already a set language over here. So let's have, for example, German. Then if we have a set language already added, all you have to do is just simply move up like this and make that language a preferred language. Once we will do that, just simply con OK. Then again, hit OK and then restart your Excel after you will restart the Excel. As you can see, the language itself has changed. Now, if you don't have your desired language in that particular menu, in that case, what you have to do is you have to click on Add a Language option right over here, and then choose your desired language. As you can see, there is a huge list of languages that are available in Microsoft Office, as you can see right over here. Now, once you have already downloaded a few languages, it will be grayed out, as you can see right here. Let's say, for example, you want Chinese. Then you have to just click on Install and then click on OK, and the installation will begin, as you can see right over here, and it should start downloading the updates within a few seconds. As you can see, just wait for it to be complete. After the downloading is complete, you should restart the Excel again, and after the restart is complete, the language will be changed. That's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.